Hey, Jessica.
Hey, Ty.
Hey, you two.
Hi.
We are here.
At the 85th Annual Sturgis Rally.
Yep, right behind us is Black Hills Harley Davidson. We as Advan Black are in our same location, right out front, just down a row, and a couple of vendors in. And how many years have we been doing this, Jessica?
This will be, I believe, our 4th year.
Awesome, fourth year. Yeah, and we continue to meet all kinds of new people. We're meeting new vendors, people are coming in, and it's been an awesome opportunity to meet even more customers.
Yes, we're meeting so many new customers here, so many old customers. Everyone's here to celebrate the 85th Annual Sturgis Rally. Let's go and hang out with some of the vendors. You want to join us?
Let's go, follow along. Ty with Advan Black, and we are here at the Rockford Fosgate booth, and they have got this awesome portable sub that just drops in any of your saddlebags. Right here we've got our 4.5-inch stretch bags that we've put on our 2025. Drops right in. There you go. For some awesome audio tunes, something that's easy. If you're not a big audiophile, don't have tons of wiring, you want to make it simple and clean, Rockford Fosgate drop-in sub is the way to go. Check it out. All right, Ty from Advan Black. We are here at Black Hills Harley Davidson in Rockford Fosgate, and this is the aftermarket division with Jordan. Jordan, what's your title? What do you do? And I want you to tell us a little about this subwoofer kit.
So I'm a regional sales manager for Rockford Fosgate, based out of Tempe, Arizona. This year we are celebrating 45 years as a company. Super exciting. Just released a whole lot of new product for you guys, but today we're going to go over our new subwoofer packages for you guys. So for the 14 plus bags, OEM standard bags, ST bags, we offer two 10-inch drop-in subwoofers that are removable with an 800-watt 4-channel amplifier that is mounted on the brake side rear bag with a bulkhead connector to make it nice, quick release for you. Works with our 6x9 cut-in lid kit as well. Give you all the bass that you're looking for.
So now, is this something that any average Joe Harley rider can install themselves on their bags?
Yes, actually, we make all of our kits so that the DIY guy can ultimately install all this equipment themselves.
Awesome. And so the name officially for this is 2014 Plus Subwoofer Kit?
So it's the HD14 SB Sub Kit. If you were doing it individually, if you were doing it as part of our kit, we offer a Stage 5 package where we offer our 6.5s for the front fairing, our 6x9 cut-in lid kit, and then you also get the subwoofer package, and then you get two 800-watt amplifiers.
All right, so I'm gonna ask, you don't have to respond, but do we talk about price in this, or do you send them to a local dealer? How's all that work for you guys?
Yeah, so I take them to a local dealer, depending on what you're looking at as far as the price point goes for, you know, doing a full kit or just the add-on for the subwoofers. You know, we don't typically recommend running these with just the stock audio system as far as the 6.5s, and you know, if you were doing a different type of 6x9 cut-in. So I would have to say, check out your local retailer.
Sounds good. And then my other question is, as I'm riding here to the 85th Sturgis, show up at the Black Hills Harley Davidson, and I want these. What do I do? Where do I go?
Come check us out here in the bottom of the lot next to all the parking here at Black Hills Harley Davidson. We also have a location up off of Main Street next to the Harley Davidson Museum in Sturgis proper.
All right, and now are you guys doing installs here on site?
Yes, so I actually have 6 technicians. We're banging out installs all day, all the way through the rally.
That is awesome, man. And so how do the installs work? Are they, depends on what you get is how much it costs to install it, or you do free install? What are you guys doing?
Yeah, so depending on the kit itself, there is different labor charges depending on that. Per hour, we kind of have a flat rate on that. So depending on the kit, there is a certain price point already built into the price.
Okay, awesome. And I did mention to Jordan just before he walked up, we did go ahead and we took this SB kit SB.
Yeah, the HD14 SB sub kit.
Man, that's so much, I can't remember. And it drops right into these 4.5-inch extended bags of Advan Black too. So because these are OEM spec, these drop right in. So even you at home can go ahead and pick these up too. Make sure you get a hold of Jordan or a retailer.
Absolutely.
Awesome, have a great rally.
Thank you, man, appreciate it.
All right, Ty from Advan Black. We are still here on the property at Black Hills, 85th Sturgis Harley Rally. It's awesome, and we are with TJ from Chromeworks, and TJ's gonna tell us a little bit about him, a little bit about the company, how it got started, what you guys offer, why you're good.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, Chromeworks, we've been around since the 70s, and we've morphed into what we are today. So we do exhaust, we do slip-ons, we do full systems, do handlebars, do air cleaners and grips too. What kind of makes us a little bit different than some of the other manufacturers out there is some of the different finishes too. So we have exact matches to some of the stock CVO finishes. So our black, our chrome, our eclipse color, and our obsidian match exactly to the Harley stock.
Okay, so when you say match exactly, does that mean you provide them with some of that, or no, you just work together to make sure that they match?
We're working together to make sure that they are an exact match across the board
Okay.
there. So.
Now, is there anything that Chromeworks actually provides for Harley? Like, if I buy a 2025 Harley, is there something Chromeworks that I could get on it, or is that aftermarket only?
All of ours is aftermarket stuff.
Okay.
But we do a lot of the same finishes in there.
Okay.
And we also do our inserts too. So our mufflers, we have different inserts that you can change the sound or the performance on the back pressure on there as well.
All right, so what's the most popular full system right now?
Actually, our Outlaw 2-in-1 is extremely popular. A lot of it's moving towards the performance bagger side. So this one, we're getting really good numbers out of this one. Performs very well, sounds awesome. We also, for a lot of the touring ones, we're doing our Dominator system as well. Both of them are 3-step head pipes. And then on our Dominator system, we've got an expansion chamber in the front and then a perforated baffle behind that as well.
Okay, now the one that we're seeing, is this the Eclipse? Is that what you call Eclipse?
Yeah, this is our Eclipse,
All right, now,
which matches the scorched chrome for Harley.
Scorched chrome. All right, so when I see this as just average Joe, I would say that's black chrome. Is that?
We get that quite a bit,
Okay.
absolutely.
But it's Chromeworks Eclipse.
Chromeworks is Eclipse is what we name it, so.
All right, so now I see you guys offer installs here on site, right?
Yep, absolutely. We're doing free installs with the purchase of an exhaust.
Okay, and then do you guys also offer like an air cleaner, like a whole system bundle kit or anything, or?
Yeah, one thing that's kind of unique about us too is our air cleaners match the tips of the mufflers, and the tips of the grips match the tips of the mufflers as well.
Details are important.
That's right. That's right.
That's awesome. So then, after installing your exhaust, installing your intake, it's necessary to get a tune, and so, right? I mean.
Yep, absolutely. We've got a couple different tune options. We're having really good luck with the Harley tuner. We can also, all of our full systems also have wideband and narrowband O2 sensors. So we can do the Thunder Max or some of the other tuners that use the wideband O2 as well.
Excellent, excellent. All right, so what is there that you haven't told us that average Harley's going to pull on? You got to come see you because.
All right, we got a couple new things out that just came out for Sturgis. We've got a couple of new tips. So this is our digital camo. It's got the American flag on the side, digital camo laser etched in there. Very cool. I think this is going to go over really well on the Road Glide STs. It'll match with that crushed fiber.
Nice. Oh, the forged carbon.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And then we also have a carbon fiber tip that just came out as well.
Okay, and that's
those
the
are
traditional,
just
right?
released for Sturgis. So
awesome. There you have it, folks. Some Sturgis items that you can only get here at Sturgis right now. You go home to your hometown and you get to show them off. Come see TJ and the guys and gals here at Chromeworks, and you'll be pleased. Thanks, TJ.
thank you much. I appreciate it.
We're glad you stopped by. We're glad you're here. Make sure you check us out. You can check us out online. We've got a lot of the new 2025 colors that are available as well. We've had lots of people asking for, do you have the new colors? Yes, we do. We continue to roll out new colors. We've got a lot of carbon fiber as well, so you're going to want to check that out. We're going to be doing a giveaway of quite a few different things. I think we told you a tour pack, your size, your color. And we've also got some gift certificates, a couple of hats, a couple t-shirts. We're gonna go ahead and start from the lowest and work our way up. I feel like the last time we talked was in Daytona.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been a couple months.
Couple months. All right. So Pro Monkey here with us at Sturgis, and he's got a couple of bikes here, him and his lady's bike, and he wants to talk a little bit about what Advan Black has done with him, partnered with him, what colors we got going on, style. What do you got?
Absolutely. So, well, Advan's got all of the new colors, you know that. They've even got some of the CVO fades and all that cool stuff for tour packs and all that fabulousness. But I think what's really awesome here is we have basically two approaches, right? All in or just dress her up. So this here is my 2024 Street Glide. It's Whiskey Fire with the chrome trim. And from Advan, we got a bunch of stuff that you can do to tweak your bike just a little bit if you want to dress her up. So this is the new chop fender. Looks fantastic. It's a little buffalo chip dirty. Don't worry about that. It's fine.
That's right.
But
That means you're riding.
It's been ridden in the rain, a little dirty. So we got a chop front fender on it. What I like, really, really happy with this, is I took a basically stock bike and put the whole shot side covers on it. And that looks really nice. So if you don't want to go all in, you just want to do little bits here and there, there's all kinds of cool stuff you can do. We have the heat guards, we got the whole shot side cover. I mean, you can go all in if you want to, but you can do little stuff here and there, the snow plow, etc.
Budget friendly. You can do it a little bit at a time.
Exactly. Doesn't have to be all in all at once. Or you can go full rock star. I'm going to introduce you now to Papi Chulo, which is that bike right there. That's my wife's bike. That is a 2022 Road Glide Special that has had the full whole shot treatment. So you can see we've got the chop front fender. We've got what I call the fang fairing. I think it's called the CVO style lower fairing. Of course, an Advan Black painted outer fairing. We've got the inner fairing. We've got the gauge cluster. We've got the whole shot cut tank and dash. We've got the new, what's the new gas cap called?
Axion.
Okay,
yeah.
So the new gas cap. Of course, the trimmed down whole shot side covers. We've got the new saddlebags with the inset and the most awesome paint on earth. So the Advan team worked a long time chatting just with Mrs. Monkey to see what she wants, and this is what they came up with, and it's absolutely gorgeous.
So what do you call this? Like, I've heard it called a few different styles, like Cholo,
I call
Hot
it the
Rod.
bike that makes everyone angry, because
Okay.
it is neither a performance bagger,
True.
nor is it a Cholo bike,
That's right.
nor is it just a cruiser. It's all things. And I think you can like more than one thing. It's totally okay. So you have performance bagger stuff. You got some performance bagger suspension. You got chop bags and side covers, a cut tank and all that stuff. You've got a nice, beautiful Cholo style paint job, which I think best looking bike we've ever done.
Yes.
And then you've got a 21 on the front, a lot of chrome and some bling bling here and there. I mean, it's an amazing motorcycle overall.
So it's like the Heinz 57 or the Mutt.
It's all this, it's or a mutt.
It's a Mutt. I like it.
It's a mutt. But yeah, she named the bike Papi Chulo, loves that bike, and it has
Papi
gotten
Chulo.
more attention than I thought possible. And everyone says I thought it was amazing, and then I saw it in person.
Okay, good.
Beautiful bike.
So yeah, we have been getting a lot of comments on our paint. We've got quite a few bikes here that are in the booth. People are starting to see we got new custom series lines, and this is not one that you can order off of the website, but it was a one-off for Miss Monkey.
Just to show what can be done and how good they are.
Yes.
The boys did a hell of a job.
Yeah, so make sure if you're out and about, if you're at the Blue Chip, if you see this bike, come on over, say hi, and let them give you a little tour of it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Feel free, come on up, see it, take a look. We don't mind. Get close. She's pretty. The bike, not
Yeah,
my
wait a
wife.
minute.
Not my wife.
How
The
close,
bike.
You said how close we can get to your wife or the bike?
The bike. The bike.
Okay,
The bike.
all right. Awesome. So is there anything up and coming? You got something you've done recently? It's not here.
Yeah, I bought a Gray Ghost and then had a
Yeah.
little bit of an issue, so she didn't make it here. But that's, you know, lots of new stuff. So everyone says, when are you going to put a Chrome tour pack on it made by Advan? I'm like, I don't know if chroming tour packs is something that the team's going to work on anytime soon.
Yeah. Are we going to dip it? Are we going to spray it?
Well, I don't even know how they do it. It's some kind of weird bonding process. But yeah, no. The Gray Ghost, we got a chopper rebuild that we're going to do with a new 40-year-old Harley motor. All kinds of new fun stuff coming up this year. But yeah, we got a lot of things in the works.
Awesome. TJ, it's always great to have you. I know you got a million places to be.
No, are you kidding me?
Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for giving away a tour pack and gift certificates and shirts and hats and tigers and bears. Oh my.
Oh, always fun, man.
All right. Thank you. All right, Jess, Gabino, we made it to Rushmore.
We did.
We left the building. We are now here.
That's right.
Yes, the best place to come is the Mount Rushmore National Monument at the end of Sturgis Rally, right?
Yeah. Who do you think chiseled out the founding fathers?
Do you know?
Did you do your homework? You were supposed to have the history lesson.
Supposed to do the
Oh my
homework.
gosh, let's go.
Okay, but wait. The last place we go after this is the ice cream shop.
That's right. You can't go wrong without having ice cream.
On your way out, right?
Yeah, he always needs food.
All right, let's go see if we can see it with the lights on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. This is the first time I've ever seen it with the Advan Black crew.
That's right.
There it is, Ohio, 17th Admitted States of the Union, 1803.
Okay, so do you think I'm the size of his nose? It's probably bigger than 5'1".
I read the,
It's 40 feet, right? One of their heads is 40 feet. Thank you so much for joining us. We had such an amazing time here, right?
yes. Today was a busy day, another busy day actually at the booth. So thankful for all the customers, getting to meet all of you that have stopped by and either purchased something or just said hi. We literally just pulled in and somebody saw the Advan Black and they're like, we love your products. We've got them on our bikes.
I know, that makes me so happy, right?
It does.
We love meeting you guys. It's been so much fun. So after a hard day at work, it's always nice to come out here and see history a little bit.
That's right. Go from
The
there.
wind in my hair is,
That's true.
it's important to get wind through my hair.
It really is. You can't go wrong with that one.
And then on the right over here, you hit those deep pockets and then you get really cold air.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Yeah.
Considering it was so humid today.
Yeah, it was so hot.
So hot.
It's supposed to be like 100 tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be miserable.
So if you make it to this rally, please stop at the monument. You're gonna love it here.
Yeah, and thanks for joining us in this episode and continue to watch for more.
See you guys.
Bye.